In the 1930s, animator Ub Iwerks, the man who first brought Mickey Mouse to life and known for his exceptional animation skills in such classics as The Skeleton Dance, left Disney to start his own animation studio. In 1937, Iwerks produced a cartoon short called The Skeleton Frolic as part of Columbia Pictures' Color Rhapsody series, which was an attempt to compete with Disney's Silly Symphonies. In many ways, The Skeleton Frolic appears to be Iwerks' attempt to remake The Skeleton Dance in color, as a number of sequences are almost identical to the earlier cartoon. Both cartoons feature night views of a church in front of a graveyard, with some bats flying out of the church towers and heading towards the camera. Both cartoons feature skeletons playing other skeletons as xylophones. Both feature skeleton foursomes dancing, and in both cartoons, a rooster signals it's time for the skeletons to cease their playing and dancing and head to their graves, resulting in some skeletons collapsing in a mass of bones. While The Skeleton Frolic was a giant leap forward in its animation prowess, like all remakes, it can never have the same impact as the original. And while the color of The Skeleton Frolics is both beautiful and effective, there's something perfect and spooky about that original black and white. I encourage you to find them both online and make up your own mind. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for videos on both The Skeleton Dance and The Skeleton Frolic, as well as hundreds of other lessons.